So I've got my electric scooter here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that comes with. Then we're going to go ahead and go over all the features of this. And there are quite a few. So when you do receive it, you are going to get a lock to go ahead and just make sure everything's nice and secure. It does come with an air pump because the tires, they are not solid. They are pneumatic, so you're going to add air to those. And it also comes with a charger here. Now it does take right around 5 hours to go ahead and charge. And it also comes with a set of keys, because we do have a little compartment here in the back to go ahead and store any valuables that you may have. We do have 14-inch tires and a 500-watt motor that propels this up to 22 miles per hour, and it does have a range up to 27 miles. So the handlebars and the seat are adjustable. We have a little lever here. When you pull that out, you can go ahead and actually adjust that up and down, and the seat is just as easy. The seat has nice thick padding on here, and also we have some springs here to absorb any shocks if we're driving down some bumpy roads. This compartment's really nice and deep. It's several inches deep, and of course it's real easy to shut. And then of course we've got our keys here too. The wheels also have shock absorbers on the front and rear. We've got our handbrake here on the left-hand side. We also have a little bell just to warn people if we're about to pass them. We also have a phone holder, and here's our controls. Our throttles are actually with this button here. We're just going to kind of press that down to go ahead and go faster or slower. Of course, we can turn it on, and with this button up here, we can go ahead and actually turn on or off the headlight. And it even has a kickstand with a front headlight and then also a rear brake light. Now this does have 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. And once it's turned on, all you have to do is press the throttle, let go of the brake, and it's that easy. It accelerates very quickly. It handles really well. It also handles smoothly on all the bumps, especially on the roads that I have in front of my house. And it's just a lot of fun to ride.